Hangzhou Hongtai Electrical Appliance Company Limited, established in 1999, is a professional company engaged in the sale and service of dehumidifier for years. Our office is located in Hangzhou with convenient transportation access, which is 15 minutes to the railway station and 35 minutes from the Hangzhou airport. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and fulfill customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, small MOQ, fast delivery, quality products, and competitive prices. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, South America, Europe, South Africa, South Asia, and other countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or any dehumidifiers for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon. Thank you.